Back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial I will show you that how you can configure your external mic, whether it is your collar mic or whether it is your stand mic or whether it is a mic whichever you want to add. Same procedure is for everyone, but you need to check your cable, you need to check your pin before plugging it into your PC. It must be a mono pin in case of a PC which have two plugins, two pins, or you can say two ports for plugging in pins. The first one may be about the hand free or your sound, and the second one may be about your mic. So you need to track first of all that in your PC there two ports for your pins, or there is a single pin, there's a single port for your pin. In case of two ports, you need to plug your mic's port into your mic's pin into your mic port. And in case if you have a single port in your laptop or your PC, you can do the things that which are pretty easy, and you can plug in your mic as well as your hand free or headphones pin in the same single pin, same single port. So the process is pretty much same for all of the things. I will show you on the screen. Let's go a bit. Okay, first of all you need to download a driver. The driver is about the Realtek audio drivers. For in my case I'm using Windows 11. You will write Windows 7 if you are using 7 or 8 or 10 and so on, and click enter. We have two websites from where you can download. The first one is about the Intel, and the second one is their official website, which is the Realtek website. You can also download the mic from your drivers from there. Okay, now click on download, accept, and it will take you to the download page. Now it will download my mic which I am using right now. This will download your driver. Okay, when your driver is being downloaded, just install it. It's pretty much simple. You can install it, and after installing your mic, you need to restart your PC, and your Realtek high definition audio mic will be installed on your PC. I will cancel it, and after installation, what is the process? I will show you that you need to go to the mic, click on sound, go to sound settings, or open volume mixer. You can do sound settings, and it will take you to here. Now you need to click on to select your microphone. All of the microphones which your computer supports will shown here input. If I select the E to E soft, it will start capturing my audio from my mobile device, which is now working as a webcam. And if I will select the first option, Realtek high definition audio, it will capture my audio from the external mic, or if I am using any kind of collar mic, it's upon me. So you need to track that your audio pin is stereo or mono. In case of stereo, there will be two pins, and in case of mono, there will be single pin. In my case, my audio device, my external mic is stereo, so I am using double pinned, double ported PC. And in case of a single pin, if my audio was mono, I am going to use a single pin which I will plug in the single port, and my audio as well as my sound will work simultaneously in a single pin. So that's pretty much it. That was pretty easy, and I hope this video was beneficial for you. If so, then like the video, subscribe my channel, post a comment, and share the video with others, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.